Hi everyone, this is Steve from OpenBOM. In today's video, we're going to present a design challenge, which is how do I build a bill of material for a design with data coming from two completely separate systems. So we're going to go through that, and I'm going to show you how we do that in OpenBOM. We're going to start with the quad design that you've all kind of become familiar with in my videos, and this is no different. We've got, I just pulled up the quad design in SolidWorks, and I hit my locate in OpenBOM button, and I'm taken to the existing bill of material for the quadcopter. Nothing special here. I want to point out that in this particular BOM, the electrical subsystem is itemized as, although it's an assembly, it's listed as a part because we buy that from a subcontractor. In today's challenge, however, we are going to add some Bluetooth functionality to this drone. And to do that, I'm going to partner with one of my colleagues to design the Bluetooth board in Altium. We're going to bring it together with the data from SolidWorks and show a combined bill of material in OpenBOM. So how do we do that? Well, the first thing we do is within SolidWorks, we create the image, the placeholder for our Bluetooth board. And here it is right here. I've created a part in SolidWorks. I've given it the part number that my company uses for the PCBs. That's the part number for the Bluetooth, the 1157. And I've instantiated that in my SolidWorks design. The next thing that I'm going to need to do is turn off the envelope feature that I've been using so far for the electrical subsystem, so that now all of the electrical subsystem subcomponents will show up in the bill of material. All right, so let's go ahead and let's update the BOM now with those changes that we just made, and see what it looks like in OpenBOM. Okay. So our OpenBOM bill of material has a few changes now. First of all, we notice that in multi-level mode, the electrical subassembly is listed as an indented bill of material. So we can open that, and then the next thing we notice is we have this part, this placeholder part that we created in SolidWorks that we dropped into our assembly with the proper part number. And of course, SolidWorks gives it the SLD PRT extension for the file name. Okay, so it looks like we've got our BOM is sitting there pretty good. We've got the placeholder for it for the circuit board, and now we need to go design that circuit board. So at my company, I have a colleague, Sarah, who designs the circuit boards, and in this use case, she has built the board in Altium, my company's PCB design tool, and she's ready to output the board contents to OpenBOM bill of material. She does that by installing the OpenBOM add-in in Altium, going to the project page and saying OpenBOM create bill of material. Okay, very similar to SolidWorks. The OpenBOM add-in grabs the information, creates a bill of material in OpenBOM. Okay, let's take a look at that. Here we go. Here is the bill of material for the circuit board in OpenBOM. This has all the information that you would expect for a board, can be customized and modified, and has all the features of every other OpenBOM bill of material, not the least of which, of course, it has all the components listed by part number. Okay, so now what's the next step? We want to connect this Altium board to our drone OpenBOM. So how do we do that? We edit the part number for the Altium board, and we change it to my company's standard. And there it is. We're going to rename this the PCB-BT-1157. There it is. Next, we're going to visit the OpenBOM bill of material for the drone, And right here, we're going to make a change. We're going to give that its part number. And the first thing we notice right away, the little plus sign appears. That tells me that that has been connected. So let's take a look at that. We now have indented in our master bill of material for the drone the board level information. That's interesting, and we can always go to the complete board using the composed of feature and see all the details of the circuit board. So in short, let's see what we've done. My company had a demand to build to add some Bluetooth capability to the drone design, the popular drone design. I went to SolidWorks. I used the locate button just to quickly pull up the existing bill of material. I reviewed it. I added a placeholder in SolidWorks for my Bluetooth board, gave it the correct part number standard that my company uses. I removed the envelope feature that I had been using to keep all of these lower level parts from showing up in my BOM. I turned that off because I want all those things to show in my BOM. And I updated my bill of material. After doing so, after updating my BOM, I saw that I had just the SolidWorks part in there. So we went to Altium. We exported the Bluetooth board from Altium into OpenBOM. And returning to OpenBOM, we changed its part number again to my company standard. And then finally, in the drone bill of material, we changed the placeholder part number to my company standard part number, and we see that OpenBOM has now connected the circuit board bill of material to the drone bill of material. So I know there's a lot of information there. This video is a little longer than normal. We're very excited about our Altium CAD OpenBOM integration. There'll be more information coming online shortly. In the meantime, if you'd like some more information or you'd like to get started with this, please contact us at support@openbom.com. Thanks.